How good are the new Nova Beauty eyeshadows? If you're new here, hi, I'm Melly. If you are not, then welcome back. Today I'm going to be recreating this look right here, and we're going to be putting to the test the new Nova Beauty eyeshadows. If you guys have not heard of Nova Beauty, it is a brand new line from Fashion Nova. They launched last week. They are a super inexpensive line, so we're gonna be trying them out today. I like the fact that they're not super huge, so you can travel with them. First things first, let's prime our lids. I'm gonna be taking a little bit of concealer on both eyes and then setting that with powder. So I'm gonna be taking the bronze palette first. And look how pretty this is. This right here is the transition shade for me. We're gonna use the shade Naranja first. I'm taking that on their I-05 brush. Okay, first of all, this brush is sickening. It's really getting in there and like blending it out. And also, this is more pigmented than I expected. Now I'm gonna take the shade Go Off, and we're gonna blend that into the lid, but I'm not gonna take it all the way to the outer V, just kind of like halfway. This color is really pretty. Okay, Fashion Nova. Next, I'm gonna take the shade Fronting, and we're gonna blend this all over the outer V. The key part to this look is just blending. I'm gonna take that shade Naranja and just kind of go over everything to really blend out the edges. So next is liner. She has a very graphic liner going on, so I'm gonna start off by doing the wing, and then we're gonna get into the difficult part, which I'm probably not gonna speak because I need to concentrate. To highlight the inner corner, I'm gonna go into the shade Drip, and her inner corner is super high. Ooh, that's pretty. Her inner corner is so highlighted, so we just gotta pack that on. Now I'm taking the shade Fronting and just smoking out that lower lash line a little bit and drag it underneath that liner because hers is super dragged out. For lashes, I'm gonna use the number 10 from Nova Beauty. These are so pretty, by the way. Oh my god. These feel so light and they are so pretty, yet like natural looking. Oh, I'm gonna have to save these. For lips, I'm gonna take the Pink Nude 02 from Nova Beauty. Now for gloss, I'm gonna go in with Thicc, and you guys know I need gloss. Like, I cannot do my makeup without gloss. It's literally a problem. She is thick too on the lips, I will tell you that, but she's not sticky though. And this is the final look, guys. I think mine is definitely a little bit more, what's the word, like my lines are a little bit more larger than hers. I feel like hers were more tamed. I don't know why mine came out like this, but oh well, we're gonna have to work with it. I do still like how it looks though, for the most part. Don't forget to check out Nova Beauty, sold exclusively only at Fashion Nova. Those eyeshadows, girl, I'm a little shook. They're really good. Not a lot of fallout, if any at all, and the pigment is there. You guys saw for yourself. Also want to send them a quick thank you for sponsoring today's video. Let me know in the comments what look you guys want to see next from me, and I'll see you guys on the next one.